Hey everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make butter slime. So you're going to need some white glue, preferably Elmer's school glue. You're also going to need some shaving foam or shower foam, which I'm using shower foam. You're also going to need some Daiso clay. You're also going to need some Elmer's magical liquid or another activator that you have. And you're also going to need a bowl and spoon. So you're going to start out by pouring your glue into the bowl. And then you're going to put your shaving foam or shower foam in as well. And then you've got to start mixing all the ingredients together. Once you've mixed all the ingredients together, you're going to start adding your activator and then mixing that in as well. Once you think the slime's ready, you're going to want to start kneading it. Now that I've kneaded the slime, I'm starting to put my Daiso clay in. I've put some colouring into the slime, which is optional. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll make sure to keep on doing more. Thank you.